Rookie player. Father Bibin will give you isa itong picture. Eh, tama. Okay. Dito ba? Okay. Next award will be given, or award for the Sportsmanship Award will be given or goes to Sherwin Borinaga. Sherwin Borinaga from Titans General. Ito. Again, the award will be awarded again by Father Bibin. Sige na. And now, our most improved player. No other than from Wong. From Wong, sino? Most improved sa tingin nyo? Sino? Jeno! Congratulations. Okay, most defensive player. I think from Atlantic goes to Erin Vicias. Anyone from Atlantic? Okay, now I'm calling the first runner-up for this competition. The other nine, Patrick Garcia Bulls. Congratulations. Batangas Blades. Batangas Blades. Marami na lang kayo sa championship. Batangas Blades. Okay, I'm calling on again after this to award the Mythical 5. Number 1 from Wong Dragons, other name DJ Olive. Okay. Third in our list is Aaron Katipa. Aaron received the award of Aaron. And fourth in our list, Mark Reyes. Huh? And number 5 from Hustler, Jatel Magno. And now, our pinaka-season's MVP. Huh? Okay. Our season's MVP started on Lloyd Tyson from Hustler.
Ngayon pala itong kanyang MVP.
And now, to call our 2025 Spring League champion, no other than Wong Dragons. Most exciting award. This